Hello, in front of me I've got the Elder Scrolls Oblivion. In this video I'll show you how to get unique Captain Kordas Sabre. In the beginning we have to go to Haggling Hall. In Haggling Hall, go to the Mart Rider. Enter the shop during day. And now talk to the Serthia V Ducea.
The Mart Rider sells and... All right.
Go to persuading
We are out.
and increase the disposition.
From every little bit helps.
Enter bartering
Some of my fine wares.
and find the unique Captain Kordas Sabre. The saber effects are Absorb Blade on Strike, 10 points for 30 seconds, Absorb Agility, and Absorb Endurance. Use Haggle to lower the price.
You bought that for a song.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.